Welcome to my lesson on algebra and angle lessons. Sometimes solving for an unknown angle requires you to solve for an unknown variable first. Panic, just follow along with the video and you'll do just fine. Let's start by reviewing a few rules of algebra when you're solving for an unknown or a variable. When you're solving for a variable, you need to set up your problem as an equation. And many times, this can be the hardest part for students to do. Let's look at a problem involving vertical angles. Here we have 2x minus 30, and the second vertical angle is x plus 10. Our equation for this particular problem would look like 2x minus 30 equals x plus 10 because, as Bart told us, they are equal. 2x minus 30 equals x plus 10. We need to move all the variables to one side of the equation and the integers to the other side. It's like making up teams to play a game. However, there are specific rules to follow. Any term moving across the equal sign, changing sides, must change its sign. Let's move the x variables to the left side of our equation. Moving the positive x on the right to the left means the x now becomes negative. 2x minus x minus 30 equals 10. Now the integer, negative 30 on the left becomes positive 30 on the right. 2x minus x equals 10 plus 30. Now you need to gather terms, like terms, together. 2x minus 1x will be 1x, and we write this just as x. X equals 10 plus 30. Now we need to gather the integers together. 10 plus 30 will be 40. We have a solution. X equals 40. Now we need to substitute 40 for x in our equations. 2 times 40 minus 30 equals 50 degrees, and on the other side, 40 plus 10 equals 50 degrees, which shows us that they are in fact equal. Now we need to find the measure of the second set of vertical angles though. Straight lines are equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 50 from 180 gives you the second angle size. In this case, 130 degrees. And you're right, what if the two angles we are looking for aren't vertical angles? What would we do in that case, Homer? Let's look at a problem involving the vertical angles again. 2x minus 30 and 3x plus 10. These two angles are supplementary angles, and together they will equal 180 degrees. We still need to write an equation for our problem. However, this time the two equations must be added together and equal to 180 degrees, and it will look something like 2x minus 30 plus 3x plus 10 will equal 180 degrees, or 180. We have all the variables on the left side of the equation already, so let's just move the integers on the left side to the right side with the 180. Remember our rule, negative 30 on the left side becomes positive 30 on the right. Positive 10 on the left becomes negative 10 on the right. Our equation looks like this. 2x plus 3x equals 180 plus 30 minus 10. And gathering all our terms together gives us 5x equals 200. Divide by 5 on both sides, and we have x equals 40. We substitute x equals 40 into your original equation, and we end up with the 50 degrees and 130 degrees. That make the 180 for the straight line or the supplementary angles. Thanks for watching.